2025 Prelim RS Group Paper 2, Question 5. Some boxes were used to pack 504 plates. Each box contained either 8 big plates or 12 small plates. The number of boxes that contained the big plates was twice the number of boxes that contained the small plates. What was the number of boxes used to pack all the small plates? Okay, now this line here is a very crucial piece of information. The number of boxes that contain the big plates was two times the number of boxes that contain the small plates. So for every 2 boxes with the big plates, you have 1 box of the small plates. Okay, this make up 1 set. And we know that there are 8 big plates for each of these boxes and 12 small plates for each of these boxes. Okay, and total 28 plates. Okay, this is 1 set. 1 set, 28 plates. Now we have a total of 504 plates. Let's find the number of sets, okay? So 504 divided by 28, that gives us 18. We have 18 sets of this BBS. This is 1 set. So we have 18 of this BBS. Okay, and then in every set we have 1 box with a small plate. So for 18 sets, how many of the small plates do we have? 18. Okay, this means that we have 18 boxes for the small plates. This is our answer. 18 boxes. Now, let's say if the question asks for big plates, what was the number of boxes used to pack all the big plates? Now, your answer will be different, okay? Because in every set, there are 2 boxes of big plates. So what you have to do is, if question asks for big plates, then you have to take 18 times 2, okay? Because there are 2 boxes of each set, so there are 36. Okay, this is just extra information.